Looking for a cordless vacuum that's powerful, easy to use, and actually handles pet hair without constant hassle? Today, we're reviewing the Bissell PowerClean DualBrush 280-watt cordless vacuum to see if it's worth your money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. This is a lightweight cordless stick vacuum designed for everyday cleaning. It comes with a 280-watt motor, a removable battery, and a self-standing design, which is surprisingly convenient. You also get useful extras like an upholstery tool and built-in LED headlights to help spot hidden dust. It's designed to work on both hard floors and carpets, making it a versatile option for most homes. One of the biggest highlights is the DualBrush technology. It uses two brush rolls, one to loosen dirt and another to pick it up efficiently. This helps improve cleaning performance, especially on mixed surfaces. Then there's AutoAdapt Technology, which automatically adjusts suction based on how dirty the surface is, so you get more power when you need it and better battery efficiency overall. Another useful feature is the self-cleaning brush roll. It helps reduce hair tangling, which is a big plus if you have pets. And the LED headlights make a noticeable difference when cleaning under furniture or in darker areas. In real-world use, this vacuum performs very well. On hard floors, it easily picks up dust, crumbs, and debris without scattering them around. On carpets, it does a solid job pulling dirt from deeper layers. It's especially good for pet hair, both on floors and upholstery. The suction feels strong, and the automatic power adjustment makes cleaning more efficient without constantly switching modes. It's also lightweight and easy to maneuver, so cleaning around furniture or tight spaces feels smooth. Pros: strong suction with smart adjustment. Dual brush system improves cleaning. Great for pet hair. Lightweight and easy to handle. LED lights help reveal hidden dirt. Overall, the Bissell PowerClean DualBrush is a solid cordless vacuum. If you want strong performance, smart features, and reliable pet hair cleaning, it's definitely worth considering. Check the link in the description for the latest price and details. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more product reviews.